What's up, my bomb-ass subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is TonyaNicole. Thank you guys for clicking the button to watch your girl today. If you're oldie but goodie, boo, y'all know what's up. Hey, y'all. Okay, guys, so today we're going to be unbagging or unboxing Slay Glam box for this month. It's packaged a little different this month. It's in a blue bag instead of a pink, so that's a little different. So yeah, guys, if y'all want to see what's in November's Slay Glam box, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you're thankful for. I'm thankful for y'all. Okay, guys, happy Thanksgiving. If this video is going out close to Thanksgiving, I'm not sure when I'm going to put it out, but if it's close to Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving, guys. I hope everything that you're thankful for is close around you. You're surrounded with love and food and peace and whatever, family and friends, all of that good stuff. For me, guys, I am celebrating Thanksgiving in Tennessee this year, and I'm very excited about that. So we got Slay Glam for this month. Whoop, whoop. Y'all know this is one of my favorite subscriptions, and yeah, we won't be long today. I'm gonna give y'all the specs. We're gonna unbox it, and then that's gonna be a wrap, G. For you guys that may not know, Slay Glam box is a $24 per month beauty subscription. She also now have where you can pay $5 additional each month for expedited shipping, but y'all know I'm not doing that. So it's $24 a month plus free shipping for mine. You get 5 to 7 beauty products per month. It has a minimum value of at least $100, and you are also able to customize a lot of your lipsticks and eyeshadows and stuff on Instagram, so make sure y'all follow her there. And if you use the code TonyaSlays, you can get some money off of your first box. I'm gonna put that somewhere down here, and it's also gonna be in the description, guys. So let's get this box on and popping. Oh, just so you guys know I told y'all earlier in my changes video, I'll try to link it somewhere up here, that we were gonna be doing 2 Advent boxes, but I had to cancel one because it was taking forever to come in, and I just got the other one today. So we're only gonna be doing 1 Advent unboxing for this month, guys. Sorry. If I can find another one that I like, I'll purchase it and we'll do another one in December, but for November, it's only gonna be 1 instead of 2, so, okay. So this month it came in this blue bag. I didn't even open it yet, so let's see what we got. When I pull it out, we have 2 items, and it always come with this cute little bag, purse thing, I call it. And a lot of the other YouTubers complain about it because it's so thin, but like I said, I don't know, this one didn't have any of the bubble wrap in my packaging, so I don't know. Some days it does, some days it doesn't, so, but hopefully nothing is broken. And when we open her up, we have a few things on the inside I'm gonna pull out. And throw it right there. It comes with a card that says Slay Glam box. Thank you for subscribing on the front, as well as the social media, and her hashtags and her website is on the front of this card. And on the back is a list of all of the products we received this month, as well as the prices. And y'all know we're gonna put it down below at the bottom. We're gonna do a grand total towards the end. So without further ado, let's get it on and popping. We're just gonna pull, let's just pull straight. So straight from the top, I have from MEDUSA'S Makeup this liquid eyeshadow, and this is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. And we have the shade Ginger. Let's see what that look like. Oh, this is pretty. This is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. And it's this beautiful, beautiful silver color. I'm gonna put it like that so you guys can see. I will not swatch this because I'm not gonna use this, guys. I don't really use these liquid eyeliner. Even though it would go with my look today, I'm not gonna use this. So I'm gonna probably do a little giveaway down at the bottom. Might be in the description, I don't know. If y'all take a peek down there, y'all might see it with some rules. So we may be giving this away today. Ooh. So let's see what this retails for, guys. And this is the MEDUSA'S Makeup Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Ginger, and it retails for $13. Now, I would think if it was a shade like Ginger, it would be something like, you know, like a gingerbread cookie, like brown or something. I don't know. Tell me what y'all think. Up next, we have from Drippin' Diamonds Beauty And this is a, I'm not sure what it is, but let me show you. This is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. And we did receive a lipstick from this company a few months back from Glam. It looks like this. Like, this is the packaging, and it was absolutely gorgeous. So I'm hoping that it's similar. Let's see. Oh my God, guys, look at the packaging on this, y'all. Anything with diamonds and dripping and all that good stuff, y'all know I'm here for it. Oh my God, y'all. So they both have this. Oh, it's so beautiful. I love it. Oh, I love this. And this is the color Garnet. And let's see. I think I did choose this one, though. I'm more than sure. It has like a bubblegum type smell. And let me swatch it. Oh, y'all know this is my color. That's the color right there, guys. Y'all want to put some on? Of course you do. Let me put some on. I hope it goes with my look today. Yes. Ooh. Yes, ma'am. Look at that, y'all. Beautiful. Oh, this is my kind of color. And I did choose this, guys. I remember I did. And it is absolutely beautiful. So let's see how much this retails for. And this, guys, is the Drippin' Diamonds Beauty Diamond Lip Gloss. And it retails for $19. Now, for being a lip gloss, it is very pigmented. It is not sticky at all, which y'all know I hate a sticky lip gloss. It's not on my teeth, and it feels great. So we'll see how it wears throughout the video, but I'm happy to get this. I'm happy for this. Okay, next up, guys, I am seeing 3. Now, you know, normally in the little subscription box, they give us 1 pencil, but boo, homegirl gave us 3. Are these eyeliner eyebrow pencils? Now, y'all know I ain't putting these colors on my brows, but this is the 3 that we got. Yes, boo. So instead of getting 1 pencil, we got a set of 3. The gold one is in Golden Nugget. I'm going to swatch it right there. That's Golden Nugget right here. And then we got dark green. Swatch that here. That's dark green. Beautiful Mardi Gras colors, huh? And then last, we got Electric Sky, this light blue shade here. Oh, that's pretty. I could definitely see myself lining my eyes with that when I create something cute, you know, and punk rockish maybe. Let's see what these retail for. And I told y'all this is from Crown Beauty. So let's see what they retail for. And this is the Crown Brush 3-piece eyeliner set, and it retails for $6, guys. So $2 a piece. That's fine because the colors are pretty. You know, it's a standard pencil that you have to sharpen. So not bad at all. I could dig it. And guys, we got a palette. And let's see what it look like. Y'all know I love palettes. So this is, ooh, from, what is this? Oakland? I don't know. Cosmetics. This fancy eyeshadow palette here. And this is what the outside looks like, guys. And let's open her up so I can see if this is something we can work with or not. I tell you, Glam is killing it, y'all. They are really killing it. For $24, they're killing it. This is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. I hope you all can see that. And, ooh, these are pretty. There is a mirror. And I'm not gonna touch it because I think I'm gonna put this one in a giveaway too. But these are the shades right here, guys. Yes. Ooh, this is gorgeous. Beautiful colors. You have 3 shimmers, and it looks like the rest are matte. So it's a 9 palette, eyeshadow palette. And yes, so some of the shades are Naked and Almond, New York, Burgundy. So they're very, very pretty. And guess what? I think we're gonna do a giveaway with this one today as well. So yeah, I'm not gonna touch on this. So I'm gonna put, we're gonna put these 2 in today's giveaway. I'm gonna have the giveaway rules down at the bottom. So yeah, boo, we got 2 items for the giveaway today. Good luck to everyone. And let's see what this retails for. And this is the Oakland Cosmetics Fancy Eyeshadow Palette, and it retails for $10. And last up, guys, we got this From BELLAPIERRE Cosmetics, the Face Slay Sculpt and Set Collection, and I have the shade Dark Deep. You could also pick medium light, I think. I think it was only 2 variations. I'm not sure. If it was more, I'll put a picture up. But yes, guys, we got a whole kit. And look at this. This is what the outside looks like, guys. And we flip it up. This is what the inside looks like. And we have a finishing powder. It looks like a contour stick, a setting spray, a sponge. Ooh, well, let's open this. Okay, so this is what the kit is looking like outside of that package. And we have a little HD setting spray here. Let me spray it this way because I don't want it to get on my stuff. Oh, the spritzer is okay on here. I don't smell anything. We have this little sponge here that's small. Probably get a little bigger when I wet it. We have this medium. Oh, it's opened. Oh, well, it opened up and it spilled all out. So I'll go ahead and swatch it since it's already opened. Ooh, girl. That'll have me looking casket dead sharp. Ooh, we don't know about this, y'all. I don't know about that. But we do have this HD setting finishing powder in the shade medium. And lastly, we have this contour and highlight duo stick. So here is the highlight side right here. That's the highlight. And because I'm not going to swatch it because I'm probably not going to use that, guys. And here is the contour side, which is not that deep, but it'd probably be a good contour for somebody that's a little lighter than me. So I may actually give this away in a giveaway. So yes, guys, this is our little kit here that we got. And let's see what this baby retails for. And this is the BELLAPIERRE 4-piece face slay kit. And it retails for $55, guys. Wow. Okay, so that was my final product in this month's box. We're gonna do a quick recap, final thoughts, rated, and we're gonna be done. So we received from Crown Beauty this 3-piece eyeliner here. From Drippin' Diamonds, this beautiful lip gloss that I'm wearing now, which looks amazing on my lips here. And it's not sticky, it feels really good on my lips. It makes my lips look actually pretty sexy, huh? Also, we got from MEDUSA'S this liquid eyeshadow here. From O'Kalin, this fancy eyeshadow palette here. And last but not least, from BELLAPIERRE, this 4-piece contour face set here. So 5 products for this month. Final thoughts on this box is I think that Slay Glam is one of those companies that I think since I have been subscribed to her has been really hitting it out of the park. You have some boxes that are like really good. She's had a couple boxes that I really wasn't feeling, but for the most part, it's a lot of hits more than misses. So that's what I appreciate about this subscription. I did just sign up for a year because she had a sale going on, $180 for 12 boxes, which was like $15 a box. So I did sign up for that. So we will be seeing Slay Glam in the year 2020. But overall, I am pleased with this month's box. I'm glad we got a palette. We got a whole contour face slay thing. This lipstick, this lip gloss here just made the box for me. It's absolutely amazing. I love it. 3 eyeliners. I mean, I think it's a pretty good box, guys. I really and truly do. So if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the damn fire. To 5 being this box is the bomb.com. You know what I'm saying, boo? We're going to give Slay Glam for this month a solid, based on the price and the things that I can use in this box, I think we're going to give them a solid 3.5 to 4 for this month. I thought it was actually a really, really good month. We're probably going to lean more toward a 4. And I am going to put these 2 products in a giveaway for you guys. All of the rules will be down below. So yeah, guys, that's all that I have. That's all that I have, guys. If you have not done so already, please go on and hit that button. Subscribe to your girl. Become part of my bomb-ass subscriber squad family. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. If not, do whatever you want to do. All of my social media links will be down below. I told you to subscribe, follow me on social media. Oh, giveaway rules for these 2 products will be down in the description below. I hope you all enjoy your Thanksgiving. I hope that everything that you're thankful for is surrounding you and you're close to it. you know, be thankful for life, guys. Be thankful for friends and family and breath and just all of the positive things you can. I myself am thankful for having my YouTube channel with some amazing bomb-ass subscribers, and I love you all so much. So that is all that I have for today, guys. Until next time in next video, you all stay blessed. Peace.